Transpower have approximately 25,000 transmission towers, made up of a mixture of mainly transmission towers like this and pole lines throughout the country. Approximately 11,000 or more kilometres. SRG is washing the structures, removing all the contaminants. They'll be wet abrasive blasting the corrosive areas, priming, undercoat and top coat. So we have a 3-coat system with an approximate life cycle of 15 years. This is what they call an erosion moderate environment, so we don't have corrosion as in the salts like we do in coastal areas. We paint approximately 500 of these structures a year. We've had to come to KRI to assist with facilitating the pontoons, the small barge, the boats, some training of the guys for the water activities.
We're called Karāpiro Rowing, but we're actually an on-water infrastructure provider really, and this is just a good opportunity for us to use our stuff in a different way. We were approached around about March to see if we can help tackle this beast of painting pylons in the middle of the lake, and thank goodness we have a lot of plant and asset that we could use, and we will make a couple of pennies out of this, and we'll plant that back into asset and plant and boats, etc. It costs a lot of money to do what we do, and this will help keep costs down for wakarama, canoe racing, dragon boating and rowing.
Obviously every site comes with its own logistics. Doing the tower work is just a small part of the actual works itself. It's actually getting to the sites is quite often quite challenging.
So logistically this one's been quite tricky. Obviously firstly setting up the pontoons around the pylons.
The pontoons have created a very stable environment for the guys to work off. You can see that we've been able to cover them with geomatting to capture any contaminants that come off the structure. Probably one of our biggest issues has been the number of pigeons that have been roosting on the structures themselves. It means that we can capture and dispose of that contaminant in an appropriate manner.
So one of the major challenges is bringing all the water out that they need to clean the tower with. It's special water with low conductivity, and we've been here 5 weeks and we've ferried over 100,000 litres. It's logistically been quite a lot to manage getting that water there and keeping up with them, because when they start blasting they're fairly zippy.